Here we have the Volvo XC60 R Design T8. So this is the 390 horsepower plug-in hybrid. The R Design package including the black contrasting mirrors. It also benefits from having the panoramic glass sunroof. As you can see by the images and the video, the vehicle is in exceptional condition. So here we are. So it's the T8 twin engine all-wheel drive. The colour is bursting blue metallic. It's got the 19-inch alloy wheels, the privacy glass, and as I say, the panoramic glass roof. Also benefits from having the LED headlights. And as I say, it is in exceptional condition. Give you a quick view of the interior. So we've got the power folding mirrors. You've got your virtual cockpit, navigation, Spotify, DAB, Bluetooth music streaming, electric height adjust on the seats, rear centre armrest with storage. It's got the Napa leather and fabric seats, the electric tailgate there. All your tools etc. are under here along with the charger. It's got all the factory mats in the vehicle. So that glass roof is just superb, embossed headrests. It is a tilt and slide sunroof. Thank you for watching.